welcome to Home School. This is your class 10 mathematics. Today I am here to discuss with you the model question paper which is released by Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board for the academic year 2021-22. So let's quickly have a look at this question paper. Subject mathematics, time 3 hours 15 minutes. Subject code 81E, maximum marks 80. And you can see some general instructions to the candidate. So you can please read those instructions. In your question paper, you will be having 6 mains. First main contains multiple choice questions. Second main contains one word or a single line questions. And it carries 1 mark. Third main, 2 mark questions. Fourth main, 3 mark questions. Fifth main, 4 marks questions. And your sixth main contains 5 mark 1 question. So total it carries 80 marks. First main, 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions or incomplete statement. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. There will be 8 questions, each carries 1 mark, total 8 marks. For this main, while writing answers, you need to take the option also along with the answer. Don't write only answer. You need to write along with the option. So have to write, I am going to show you on the board. Okay, first problem. If a pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. There are 2 equations. What are these? These 2 are the standard form of linear equations in 2 variables. In 2 variables have unique solution. So what is the solution for these equations? The solution is unique. Unique means immediately what you remember the ratio. That is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So unique solution, then the correct relation among the following. Search for this relation where it is. It is your option A. See how I am writing the answer. Number 1, follow with your option. Option A, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Second one, the common difference of the arithmetic progression. They have given the arithmetic progression 100, 93, 86, so on. What is the common difference? Common difference is denoted by the letter small d. How we are going to get this common difference? This is the first term, second term. Common difference. When you subtract first term in second term, you are going to get the common difference. So A2 value is 93. 93 minus A1 value is 100. 93 minus 100 is minus 7. What is that? Minus 7. See the options. Where is your answer? Your answer is option D, minus 7. Option D, minus 7. Third one. If the value of the discriminant of a quadratic equation is 0, then the nature of the roots are discriminant. That means capital D or a delta is 0. Then what will be the nature? I think you remember this, children. Nature of a roots, if delta or a D is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Search for this in the options. You can see option B. Option B, real and equal. Fourth one, the value of cosecant 45 degree is cosecant 45. Cosecant 45, suppose you don't remember. If you don't remember, you just go for sine 45. Sine 45 is first, so easily you can remember. Sine 45 value is 1 by root 2. Right? That 1 by root 2, do the reciprocal. That is nothing but the cosecant 45. What is cosecant 45 degree value? It is root 2. Search for this option. Option B. Option B, root 2 is your answer. Fifth one. The distance of a point P x, y from the origin is. You can remember from coordinate geometry, the distance from origin to any point formula is d is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Search for this option here. I think it is C. Option C, square root of x square plus y square. Sixth one, the empirical relation between mean, median and mode is. Observe this question carefully. 4 answers you feel they're almost all are correct, but among those 4 only one is right answer. Search carefully there. Which one is the right answer? 3 median is equal to mode plus mean? No. 3 median is equal to 2 mode plus mean? No. 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean? No. And your option D, 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Yes, this is the right answer. So I go with the option D. 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Okay. Seventh one. Which of the following pair of triangles are always similar? Okay, let's see the options. 2 isosceles triangles are always similar? No. 2 scalene triangles? No. 2 equilateral triangles? Yes, 2 equilateral triangles are always similar. So I go with the option C. 2 equilateral triangles. Okay. And let's see the last one, 8th one. A cone is cut by a plane. Okay, let me draw a cone here. A cone is cut by a plane which is parallel to the base. So let me cut the cone here. Cut by a plane parallel to its base, and the small cone that obtained is removed. Then the remaining part of the cone is. So small cone is removed, then the remaining part of the cone, what do we call this? This is nothing but the frustum of a cone. So search for this option. It is option A. Option A frustum of cone. So with this, we are going to complete our first main. 8 questions, each carries 1 mark. So don't forget to write the options along with the answers. Second main, answer the following questions. In this main, you'll be having 8 questions, each carries 1 mark. 8 into 1 is equal to 8 mark. But there is a tiny mistake in the question paper. It is not 8 into 2. It is 8 into 1 mark. Right? 9th one. In an arithmetic progression, the sum of first 4 terms is 20. Sum of 4 terms 20, how can you write? Yes, 4 is equal to 20. And the sum of first 3 terms is 12. Sum of first 3 terms, I can write it as S3 is equal to 12. So find the 4th term of the arithmetic progression. A4 is your question. So directly I can remember A4 is nothing but S4 minus S3. If you forget this, just simply write S4. I can write it as A1 plus A2. S4 is nothing but sum of 4 terms. What are the 4 terms? A1, A2, A3, A4. Right? Again, according to the question, I know S3. That means sum of first 3 terms I know. S4 is equal to S3 plus A4. Okay, S3 transpose this side. S4 minus S3 is equal to A4. See, observe here, same relation we got here. Right? Now substitute in S4 and S3 what the given value. S4 value is 20 and S3 value is 12. 20 minus 12 it is 8. Therefore, 4th term is 8. Okay, directly you can write this. If you forget, you can think in this way also. Right? So, your answer is 8. I am writing in shortcut. when you do the question paper, you can directly check the answer by seeing this line. 10th one. If a pair of linear equations in two variables are inconsistent, then write how many solutions do they have. Suppose the pair of linear equations are inconsistent, that means that there is no solution at all. So what is your answer? If they are inconsistent, how many solutions do they have? There is no solution. There is no solution. You can end up with that line. 11th one. Find the value of sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 1. Observe carefully. By seeing this, immediately I remember an identity in trigonometry. That is, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So, in this place, substitute 1 and you have beside plus 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2. Therefore, what is your final answer for 11th? It is 2. 12th question. A point P divides the line joining of points ax1, y1 and bx2, y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally. Then write the coordinates of P. So directly you can remember section formula. Yes, write that formula. They given point P given. If you want, you can write px, y also you can write. Okay, is equal to, line is divided in the ratio m1 is to m2. So formula is m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. So formula, when you are writing, children, please do write in this manner along with the brackets and a comma in between. Okay. 13th question. State Pythagoras theorem. Only the statement you need to write. So do you remember this? In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. So you can write the statement here. In right triangle. Right triangle means right angled triangle. In right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Right? You can draw the figure and you can write the sides what you have taken. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That also you can end up. Right? So next one. 14th one. In the figure, find the length of an arc. Let's see the figure here. You can see a circle, center O, and you can see two radius, that is OA, OB, and this is also called as a sector, AOB sector. Radius R is equal to 7 centimeters. In the figure, find the length of an arc AB. So I need to calculate the length of this minor arc. Length of minor arc. Do you remember the formula? What is that formula? Theta. What is the theta given here? 90 degrees. So let me write the formula for length of the arc AB is equal to theta by 360 degree into arc. Circumference you should remember here. That is 2 pi r. Theta value is 90. 90 by 360 degree into 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Radius is 7. 7, 7 cancel. 0, 9 4s and here 2 2s 2 and this 2 11s. Therefore, Therefore, what is the length of the arc AB? Length of the arc AB is equal to 11 centimeters. Okay. So 15th one. Write the formula to find the volume of a cone. What is volume of a cone formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. Cubic units you can write here. While writing an examination, you please write along with volume of a cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. Don't forget to write volume of a cone. You include that line also here. Okay, last one in this main, 16th one. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 7 centimeters. Okay, surface area of a sphere and its radius is 7 centimeters itself. What is surface area of a sphere? Formula is 4 pi r square. 4 into pi value is 22 by 7 and radius is 7. 2 times you multiply r square. 7 cancel. Now this will be 7 into 22 you can do. That will be 154. 154 into 4 it will be 16, 21, 4, 616. So what is that answer? 616 and the unit is centimeter square. Therefore, the surface area of the sphere is equal to 616 centimeter square. Along with formula like this, you need to solve. Okay, with this we complete the second main. Third main, answer the following questions. In this, you will be having 8 questions. Each carries 2 marks. 8 twos are 6 marks. So let's start the first problem in it. 17th one. Let me solve the problem here and write only final answer there. Solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method. So the equations are 2x plus y is equal to 3. 4x minus y is equal to 9. Solve these pair of linear equations by elimination method. Observe here, plus y minus y. So directly you can add the two equations. 2x plus 4x will be 6x. Plus y minus y will be cancelled. 3 plus 9 it will be 12. This 6 transpose other side. X is equal to 12 by 6. 6 2s are 12. That means x is equal to 2. Substitute this x value in any one of the equation. Let us mark it 1 and 2. Right here. Substitute x is equal to 2 in equation 1. And your equation 1 is 2x plus y equal to 3. 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 send this side. Minus 4. Y is equal to 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. Therefore, what you can write? X is equal to 2, comma, y is equal to minus 1. For this question, you have internal choice. One more or question is provided. While solving an examination, you can select any one among these two questions for 17th. But while you are practicing at home, you do practice all the problems without leaving any choice. Right? And your question is, show that the lines represented by linear pair of equations 2x plus 3y equal to 1 and 5x plus 6y is equal to 2 are intersecting lines. By comparing their coefficients, you should show this. So, what is this? You can see the two equations with the two variables. You know the standard form. What is the standard form of these two equations? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. And you can bring this number this side and you can compare the equation. But what is given in your question paper? The two equations are intersecting. Intersecting means what the ratio you remember? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So, we know that these two lines are intersecting. Compare the ratios and check whether they are not equal or not. So, write the ratios a1, a2. 2 by 5 and B1, B2 3 by 6. 3 ones, 3 twos. So observe here 2 by 5 and here 1 by 2 are both equal? No, they are not equal. 2 by 5 is not equal to 1 by 2. Already given the two equations are intersecting. Show by comparing their coefficients. Or question directly you can write only ratio 2 by 5 not equal to 1 by 2. This is just for your reference of answers I am writing here. 18th one. See 18th question. Find the 15th term of the arithmetic progression. Your arithmetic progression is 6, 10, 14, so on. Using formula 15th term of arithmetic progression. So observe here for the given arithmetic progression, I will write A1, A2, A3, right? In order to find 15th term we need to calculate. So in order to find any term, we should find first term and the common difference. First term is A1, that is only A is equal to A1 equal to 6. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 10 minus 6, D is equal to 4. We need to find 15th term of arithmetic progression. What is the general formula here? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N value is 15, A value is 6 plus n value is 15, 15 minus 1 into D value is 4. That is 6 plus 15 minus 1 is 14, 14 into 4. 6 plus 14 fours are, it is 56. 56 plus 6 will be 62. Therefore, the 15th term of the given arithmetic progression is 62. Write the answer here. 19th question. Find the sum of first 15 terms of 3 plus 6 plus 9 so on using the formula. Sum of 15 terms means what? Sum of 15 terms. Yes, 15 is equal to question mark. We need to calculate S15. So, by seeing the given progression, write A and D value. A is nothing but the first term 3 and D common difference 6 minus 3, that will be 3. D is equal to 3. Formula. What is sum of n terms formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. N value is how much? 15. Yes, 15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2a. A value is 3. 2 into 3 plus 15 minus 1 into D value is 3. Okay. 15 by 2 into 2 3s are 6 plus 15 minus 1 14. 14 into 3. 15 by 2 into 6 plus 14 3s are, it will be 42. 42 plus 6 will be 48. Now cancel 2 24s are. So that will be, yes, 15 is equal to 15 into 24. Do the multiplication. 15 into 24. 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12 and this is 24. 0, 6, 3. Therefore, sum of 15 terms is equal to 360. Okay. So, observe the progression carefully. Write A value, D value and apply in the formula. So, therefore, what is final answer? Yes, 15 is equal to 360. In this problem, you have one more internal choice or question. So, that is Verify whether 130 is a term of the arithmetic progression 3, 7, 11, so on. Check whether 130 is a term of this progression or not. So what we are going to do? Let us assume the given number as an. Okay. Find a and b by using the given arithmetic progression. A is equal to first term 3 and the common difference is equal to 7 minus 3, it will be 4. Now the formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An value, let us assume it as 130. 130 is equal to a value is 3, n value we don't know, n minus 1 into d value is 4. So this 3 transpose other side, 130 minus 3 is equal to 4n minus 4. 130 minus 3 will be 127 and this minus 4 bring this side, plus 4 it will be 127 plus 4, 131 is equal to 4n. This 4 transpose other side, that is n is equal to 131 by 4. Observe here, is it divisible? No, it is not divisible. So if you cancel, you are going to get a decimal. Any term we won't say with a decimal number. Do we say with a decimal number? No. Therefore, what I can say, 130 is not a term of the given arithmetic progression. So directly I will write here 130 is not a term of given arithmetic progression. 20th one, solve 3x square minus 2x. 3x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0 by using quadratic formula. Children, do you remember what is the quadratic formula? X is equal to, see here you have the variable x, so x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is quadratic formula. So by using this formula, we need to find the roots. Look here. First, given quadratic equation, we should compare with the standard form of the quadratic equation. This is 20th question. Okay. So while you are doing in your examination, you need to include some more points, but some minor points I am skipping. You try to include those all points also while you are solving in your book, right? So first, given quadratic equation, we are going to compare with the standard form. So let me write directly here standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Compare and write the a value, b value, c value. A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 3. Substitute these in the formula. X is equal to minus b, b value is minus 2, minus of minus 2 plus or minus square root of b square minus 2 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into 3 into minus 3, right? Whole divided by 2 into 3. Minus into minus plus, so that will be 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 whole square, minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4, then here 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36, minus into minus plus, plus 36 by 2 3s are 6. 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 36 is 40 by 6. So this one, let me continue here. X is equal to square root of 40. Is it a perfect square? No. But is it a multiple of any perfect square? Yes. That is 4 tens are 40. 4 remove from root. You can write this as 2 plus or minus 2 root 10 by 6. Now, don't cancel 2 and 6. First, take out common. 2 common, 1 plus or minus root 10 by 6. 2 3s are 6. Therefore, what are the roots here, children? 1 plus root 10 by 3 or x is equal to 1 minus root 10 by 3. Therefore, the two roots for the given quadratic equation are 1 plus root 10 by 3 or 1 minus root 10 by 3. So, let me write here solution. X is equal to 1 plus or minus root 10 by 3. 21st problem, find the value of the discriminant and hence write the nature of roots of the equation. Given equation, x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Find the value of discriminant and hence write the nature of roots. Okay, so given quadratic equation, we will be comparing with the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and write a, b, c values. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 2. Now what we are going to find? Discriminant value and find the nature of roots. Discriminant, capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Substitute here. What is b value? 3. 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 2. 3 3s are 9 minus 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So, what is the nature of the roots when discriminant is 1? 1 means greater than 0. So, you can write discriminant is greater than 0. Therefore, what are the nature of roots? Therefore, the roots are real and distinct. Therefore, the nature of the roots are real and distinct. Discriminant is greater than 0. Roots are real and distinct. Okay. 22nd question. Find the distance between the points 3, 1 and 6, 2 by using distance formula. So, the given two coordinates, let me write it as x1, y1, x2, y2. What is the distance formula? Small d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equal to square root of x2 value is 6, x1 value is 3. 6 minus 3 whole square plus y2 value is 2. 2 minus y1 value is 1. 2 minus 1 whole square. That is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 whole square plus 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 whole square. 3 3s are 9. 1 1s are 1. 9 plus 1 it will be 10. Therefore, distance D is equal to square root of 10 units. Compulsory you need to write here root 10 units. Okay. Therefore, the distance between these two coordinates is this one. So, let me write the answer here. Root 10 units. 23rd one. Divide the line segment AB is equal to 10 centimeters in the ratio 2:3 geometrically. So, this is a construction. So, you can do this construction in this manner. First, draw a line. I am just drawing with a free hand. You do with the construction tools. Right? AB. What is AB length? AB is equal to 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters, draw a line AB. Then 2:3 ratio, you need to divide this line. That means add the ratio first. 2 plus 3 will be 5. Draw a ray which is acute and mark 5 arcs. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Okay. From the last arc, join B and now draw an arc. And from the point A2, draw an arc, measure measure, cut, join. So this one you can mark it as C and say here AC is to CB is equal to 2 is to 3. So therefore AC is to CB is equal to 2 is to 3. Line is divided in the ratio 2 is to 3. With scale, if you want, you can measure the length and you can mark here. 24th problem. From the given figure, find the value of sine theta tan alpha. See here, you can see the figure. From the figure, you can see a right angle triangle, right angle at B. And here acute angles given theta and alpha. 3 sides 1, 2, root 5 given. You need to find sine theta and tan alpha. There are 2 sub-questions in this. First sub-question A, sine theta. Theta, where is theta? Here is theta, right? So, sine theta, sine ratio. What do you remember? Opposite by hypotenuse. For this angle, this is opposite side and this is hypotenuse. So, write the ratio here. Sine theta is equal to AB by AC. Sine theta is equal to AB by AC. What is AB? AB is 1, AC is root 5. 1 by root 5 is your answer. Okay. Second sub question in it. Tan alpha. Where is alpha? Alpha is here. Tan ratio. Opposite by adjacent. Right. For this angle, what is the opposite side? BC is opposite side and adjacent side is AB. Tan alpha is equal to BC by AB. That is BC is 2, AB is 1. 2 by 1 is your answer. Okay. So your last one, 24th question. Answers are 1 by root 5, comma 2 by 1. With this, we are going to complete our third main 2 marks questions. Okay. Let's begin with the fourth main. Answer the following questions. In this main, you will be having 9 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. 9 3s are 27 marks. 25th one. Prove that the tangents drawn to a circle from an external point are equal. This is a direct theorem from your circles chapter. Just write the theorem. You can write complete theorem. I am not writing here theorem. Just in solution, I am writing one word, theorem. You can remember that theorem is from circles chapter and you can write complete theorem in your book. So 26th one, find the mean of the following data by direct method. Class interval 10 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 70, 70 to 90. And your frequency 2, 6, 10, 2. This is a data given for you and asked to calculate mean by using direct method. So for the given table, I am going to add extra 2 more columns. Let us add extra 2 more columns here. For class mark, this is Fi and this is Xi. And you need to multiply frequency and class mark. Mean by direct method formula is mean is equal to summation Fi Xi by summation Fi. So in order to find that, we need to add these 2 columns. How do you get Xi here? Class mark, lower limit plus upper limit by 2. That is 10 plus 30, 40. 40 by 2 is 20. Observe carefully here. 30 plus 50, 80. 80 by 2 is 40. Or directly you can write here, children. 50, 70 middle, what you can see, 60. And here 70 to 90, 80. Okay. So now multiply these 2 columns. 2 20s are 40. 6 40s are 240. 10 60s are 600. 280 is 160. Okay. Now do the summation. That is sigma fi xi is equal to add all this zeros 0 and 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 4 14, 3 9 10. Therefore summation fi xi is equal to 1040 and you need that summation fi. Add all the frequencies. 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 10 18, 18 plus 2 20. Summation fi is equal to 20. Right there, by direct method, mean is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. Substitute the value 1040 by summation fi value is 20. 0 0 cancel. 2 5s are 2 2s are. Therefore, mean of the given data is equal to 52. What is mean of the given data? 52. Let me write here. Only answer mean is equal to 52. Is this clear? You have one more internal choice question for this problem. That is, find the mode of scores in the following data. You can see the table. Class interval, frequency, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. And your frequency is 6, 9, 2, 2, 1. What do you need to calculate here? Find the mode of the scores for the following data. So, in order to find mode, first identify the model class. How can we identify? Observe the frequency. Where is the highest frequency? Yes, 9 is the highest frequency. So, you can round up with a pencil and this is the model class. Now, identify some terms here. This is the lower limit L and this is frequency above the model class F0, frequency in the model class F1, frequency below the model class F2. H is a class size. How we are going to get class size? H is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. 5 minus 3, H is equal to 2. If you know all this, directly applying the mode formula. Model class, you write children, write all these neatly, then apply in the formula. Mode formula is, mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, so now substitute. What is your L value? 3. 3 plus F1 value is 9 minus F0 value is 6 and 2 into 9 minus 6 minus 2 into class size is 2. Okay, 3 plus, if you want you can use this with a bracket also you can use. 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 2s are 18, minus 6 minus 2 will be 8 into 2, 3 plus 3 by 10 into 2, right? So 3 2s are 6. So 6 by 10 I can write it as 0.6. Now add these two. 3.6 is the mode value. What is mode value? 3.6. And you can check whether your answer is right or wrong. Go to the model class. 3.6, is it in between these two? Yes, therefore your answer is right. So let me write here. Mode is equal to 3.6. 27th problem. Evaluate 4 sine 30 degree plus tan 48 degree into tan 42 degree minus 3 tan 45 degree. Okay, internal choice you have for this question. So let's solve this and then go with other question. 4 sine 30 degree. What is sine 30 value? Sine 30 value is 1 by 2. Okay, tan 48. Tan 48 I can take a complementary angle for this. That is cot tan 48 can be written as cot 42 degrees. Complementary angles tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. That is cot 90 minus 48 is cot 42 degree. Or you want means you can write in brackets beside tan theta is equal to cot 90 degree minus theta. That is tan 48 degrees is equal to cot 90 degree minus 48. That is cot 42 degree. Right? So now tan 42 as it is I will write minus 3 into tan 45 value is 1. This one 2 2s are 4. That is 2 plus cot 42. I can write it as 1 by tan 42 degree into tan 42 degree. 3 into 1 is 3 minus 3. Tan 42 will be cancelled. 2 plus 1 will be 3. 3 minus 3 it will be 0. What is the answer for this? 0. Or you have one more internal choice question. Let me take here 6 cos 60 degree minus sine 30 degree plus sine square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree. Okay, this is another question here. Cos 60 degree value is 6 into cos 60. It is 1 by 2. You need to remember this all children. Sine 30 degree 1 by 2 plus sine 45 degree. What is sine 45? 1 by root 2. But here sine square 45 degree you have 1 by root 2 whole square plus cos 45. Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2 and in your question it is cos square. Right? This one 2 3s are 6. 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 1s are 1, root 2 into root 2 will be 2. That is 1 by 2. And here also 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cancels. You are left with 3 plus 1 by 2. Do LCM. 6 plus 1 by 2 that will be 7 by 2 is your answer. So write here 7 by 2. Okay. So 28th question. Yield of coconuts grown in a village by 15 farmers is as follows. Draw less than type ogive. Number of coconuts, cumulative frequency, less than 50, less than 75, less than 100, less than 125, less than 150, less than 175, less than 200. Cumulative frequency is given 2, 4, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15. So directly take a graph sheet and no need of changing anything in the table. As it is, plot on a graph sheet. See here, what you are going to write? Number of coconuts and here it is cumulative frequency 50, 75, 100. You can compress the scale like this, right? And on y-axis, you can go with the 2, 4, 6, 8 like this. You can take the scale and your coordinates are 52 here and next 75, 4 here. Like this, your less than type ogive will be there. Okay, so take a graph sheet and plot the ogive neatly. 29th question. The slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 centimeter. The slant height of frustum of a cone. So you can take a frustum of a cone. Slant height L is how much? 4 centimeters. And the perimeter of its circular ends are 18 centimeter and 16 centimeter. Perimeter 18 centimeter and one more is 16 centimeter. Perimeter given. Then find the CSA of the frustum of a cone. So find CSA of frustum of a cone is your question. So how to find this? Frustum of a cone formula, pi r1 plus r2 into L is your formula. I know L value, pi value we know. What about r1 and r2? We don't know r1 and r2. So let me assume this is r1 and this is r2. They have given perimeter. Perimeter means this is perimeter of a circle. 2 pi r1 is equal to 18. So take this and find r1 value. Same manner, you take 2 pi r2 is equal to 16 centimeter and get r2 value. After getting r1 and r2, substitute in the formula. So I am doing little shortcut, but you do with the proper statements in your examination. Right? So 2 into 22 by 7 into r1 is equal to 18. R1 is equal to 18 into 7 by 2 into 22. Cancel. 2 9s are 18. Still anything you can cancel? No, you cannot cancel. R1 is equal to 63 by 22. See, 9 7s are 63 by 22 centimeters. Similarly, find R2. So let me find R2 here. 2 pi R2 is equal to 16. 2 into 22 by 7 into R2 is equal to 16. R2 is equal to 16 into 7 by 2 into 22. 2 8s are 16. Okay. So that will be 56 by 22. R2 is equal to 56 by 22 centimeters. So therefore we got R1 and R2. Substitute in the formula. CSA of a frustum of a cone is equal to pi 22 by 7 into R1 value is 63 by 22 and R2 value is 56 by 22 into slant height is 4. Okay, 22 by 7 into, do LCM, 63 plus 56 by 22 into 4. 22 by 7 into 63 plus 56, it will be 119 by 22 into 4. So can you cancel here? 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49. And you can cancel 22, 22. So 17 fours are, that will be 68. Centimeter square is the curved surface area of a frustum of a cone. Okay. So therefore, what is the frustum of a cone curved surface area? It is 68 centimeter square. Right? You have internal choice for this question, that is, a toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted on a cylinder of height 10 cm as shown in the figure. If the radius of the cylinder is 3.5 cm, find the volume of the toy. So you can see the figure there. This is 29th or question, right? Volume of the toy is your question. Toy is in which form? It is in the form of cylinder and a hemisphere is surmounted on a cylinder. Radius of a cylinder and hemisphere is same. They have given only cylinder height as 10 centimeters. Only cylinder height 10 centimeter. Observe the figure carefully. So in order to find the volume of the toy, frame the formula first. Volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. So observe here children, this problem, either you may find volume of a cylinder separately, volume of a hemisphere separately, and then you can add, or in this way also you can solve this. So I am doing directly here. You have to include many steps for this problem. Volume of a cylinder formula is pi r square h. And volume of hemisphere, it is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Observe here, radius of a cylinder and hemisphere both are same. So no need of writing R1 and R2. So in these two, is there anything common? Pi R square is common. Take out common. H plus 2 by 3, 1 R is left here. Pi value is 22/7. Radius. What is the given radius here? R is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So 3.5, I may write it as 35/10 into 35/10 into height. Height deals with only cylinder. What is the height of a cylinder? 10 plus 2/3 into. What is the radius? 3.5 I will write here. Okay. So now this one, 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 2 11s are. And again here, 5 7s are 5 2s are. So finally you are left here with 77/2 into 10 plus 3.5 into 2 will be 7, 7/3. So again this one I can write it as 77/2. Do LCM. 3 10s are 30. 30 plus 7 will be 37/3. Okay. Now let me complete the solution here. 77 into 37/6. Can you cancel anything? No, I cannot cancel. So better you do the multiplication. What is 77 37s? 7 7s are 49, 53 and 23, 9, 4, 8, 2. So therefore your answer is 2849/6 centimeter cube is the volume of the toy. Okay, what is that? 2849/6 centimeter cube is the volume of a toy. If you want, you can convert into decimal also, or you can leave as it is. So if you want, you can convert this into decimal also. That will be 474.8333 centimeter cube also you can write. So 474.83333 will be repeating here. So if you want, you can end up with the fraction here itself, or you can convert into decimal. Therefore, finally, volume of a toy is equal to 474.83 centimeter cube. 30th problem, this is from arithmetic progression. The sum of ₹700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is ₹20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. So observe the question carefully. Total amount is how much? Sum 700 rupees. Is to be used to give how many prizes? 7 cash prizes. That means given sum of 7 cash prizes is equal to ₹700. I am not writing here rupees. S7 is equal to 700. And next point here. If each prize is ₹20 less than its preceding price, 20 less than its before preceding price, that means common difference D is equal to -20. If each price is 20 rupees less than its preceding price, observe here, to get every next term, common difference is added. Here what is the condition? Each price is 20 less than its before price. That means when we add, we won't get common difference here. Each price, if we subtract 20, we are going to get the next price amount. Right? First price amount, if you subtract 20 rupees, you'll get next second price amount. Like that, if you go on subtracting 20, you are going to get the 7 prizes. So try to understand here, common difference is not plus 20. When we add, we are getting next price means it is 20. See, every price is 20 less than the preceding price. That means D is minus 20. And what we are going to calculate here? Find the value of each of the prices. I know S7 and I know D. First, let me calculate A. Then all prices how we are going to find? By using the general form of arithmetic progression, you are going to get the all 7 prices. So first, let me remember here Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I don't know a and n value is 7. You can write here n is equal to 7. Substitute S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into minus 20 here. Okay, S7 value also we know. What is S7 value? 700 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 will be 6. 6 into minus 20 here. Okay, send this 7 by 2 this side. 700 into 2 by 7. That is 700 so 700. 100 into 2 will be 200. Is equal to 2a plus into minus minus 620 is 120. 100 into 2 200 and this minus 120 transpose other side plus 120 is equal to 2a. 200 plus 120 will be 320. 320 is equal to 2a. A is equal to 320 by 2. That is 2 160s are 320. That means first prize. Let me write here. Let the first prize be A. First prize. Okay. A or A1 you can say, that is 160 rupees. 700 is cash. So that cash should be given for 7 children as 7 prizes, cash amount, right? So first prize rupees 160, and coming to your second prize, you can say general form of arithmetic progression A1, A2, A3, A4. Write general form A plus D, A plus 2D, like this. If you want first prize A1, second prize A2 also you can write. So that will be A plus D. A value is 160 and your D value is minus 20. Plus of minus 20. That is 160 plus into minus minus 20. 160 minus 20 will be 140. Similarly, third prize A plus 2D. Substitute, you are going to get here 120. A4, A plus 3D. Same manner, substitute here 160 plus 3 into minus 20. That is 160 minus 60 will be 100. Same manner, fifth prize A plus 4D. It will be 80 rupees. These are all amount. 140 rupees, 120 rupees, 100 rupees, 80 rupees. Similarly, let me continue the problem here. A6 is equal to A plus 5D. That will be 60 rupees. And the last prize, 7th prize, A plus 60, that is equal to rupees 40 rupees. Therefore, 700 rupees is given in 7 cash prizes as 160 rupees, 140 rupees, 120 rupees, 100 rupees, 80 rupees, 60 rupees and 40 rupees. Okay, is this clear? Sum of 7 prizes amount is 700. 700 should be given for 7 children as a cash prize. So, yeah, common difference. What is the common difference here? Minus 20. Take Sn formula and find A value. After getting A value, take general form of AP and substitute A and D value. You are going to get all 7 prizes. Okay, is this clear? Next, moving to 31st question here. Find the area of a triangle ABC whose vertices are A 2, 2, B 3, 4 and C minus 1, 3. Find area of a triangle. So we remember the formula. What is area of a triangle formula, children? in coordinate geometry. Triangle ABC you can write. Formula is half of, easy to remember, x1 into x2 into x3 into, right? Then write y minus y, y minus y, y minus y. Now here 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. This is the formula. x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 whole divided by 2. Right? Given coordinates, mark x1 y1 and x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. And now substitute in the formula. Half of x1 value is 2 and y2 value 4 minus 3 plus x2 value is 3, y3 3 minus y1 value is 2 plus x3 value is minus 1 into y1 value is 2 minus y2 value is 4. Okay, half of 2 into 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 3 into 3 minus 2 is 1 plus minus 1 into 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Okay, then this will be 1 by 2 into 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into 1 3 and here minus into minus plus 2 ones are plus 2 here. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 by 2 square units is the area of a triangle ABC. Therefore, what is the area of a triangle? Answer here children, 7 by 2 square units. For 31st problem, you have internal choice. One more OR question for this. That is, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line joining the points 6, minus 2 and 10, 8. Find the points of coordinates of trisection of the line joining coordinates are these two. So, we need to find this point and this point. Let me mark this as A and this as B, this as P and this as Q. Find the points of trisection of the line segment joining points. Trisection means a line is divided into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts means it should be cut at 2 points. Let the points be P and Q here and the line joining points be A, B. So, when you are finding P, observe here carefully, trisected all in the same ratio 1:1:1. When you are finding P, what is M1:M2 ratio? See, when you are finding the coordinate at this point, so observe the line division 1:2. When you are finding the coordinate at Q, then the line division is 2:1. Okay. So first, let me use the formula and find P coordinate. I'll mark here x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Px, y, I'll calculate first. That is formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay. So now what is m1 m2? You should write here first. m1:m2 is equal to this point dividing the line in 1:2 ratio. Therefore, m1 value is 1, m2 value is 2. Substitute 1 into x2 value is 10 plus m2 value is 2, x1 value is 6 by 1 plus 2, comma 1 into y2 value is 8 plus m2 value is 2 and here y1 value is minus 2 by 1 plus 2 and this will be 1 10s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 1 plus 2 3, 8 1s are 8, plus 2 into minus 2 will be minus 4 by 3. 10 plus 12, 22 by 3, comma 8 minus 4 is 4 by 3. Therefore, what is the points of trisection? The P point, what is that P coordinate? 22 by 3, comma 4 by 3. Is your problem completed? No. Still, we need to find Q coordinate. So, let me write Px, comma y coordinate here. This is our question, right? P. One coordinate is 22 by 3, comma 4 by 3. Now next, in order to find Q coordinate, I am going to take same formula and the division of line, that is 2:1. See here, Q point means 1 plus 1 is 2. Internal division of this line segment is 2:1. So M1 and M2 value will be changing, remaining all same. That will be M1 is 2 into X2 value is 10 plus M2 value is 1, X1 value is 6 by 2 plus 1, comma 2 into Y2 value is 8 plus 1 into Y1 value is minus 2 by 2 plus 1. This will be 2 tens are 20 plus 6 by 3, comma 2 8s are 16 plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 by 3. 20 plus 6, 26 by 3, comma 16 minus 2 is 14 by 3. Therefore, what is another coordinate of trisection? That is 26 by 3, comma 14 by 3 is your answer. Therefore, the coordinates of trisection are 22 by 3, comma 4 by 3, comma 26 by 3, comma 14 by 3. 32nd question. Construct a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 4 centimeters from a point 9 centimeters away from its center. So this is also a construction. Use geometry tools and do this construction. I just show you roughly here. Construct a pair of tangents for a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Draw a circle, radius is 4 centimeters. And observe the point here from a point 9 centimeters away from its center. See here, from here it is 9 centimeters away a point. That means tangents from external point you are going to do this. So from here 9 centimeters means first draw a line segment 9 centimeters. From one end point with 4 centimeter as a radius, draw a circle, right? And next, how we are going to do, children? Do the perpendicular bisector, then do the circle, right? Circle where it is touching the whole circle, join. These are the tangents. Mark A, B, P. PA and PB are the tangents for the given circle with radius 4 centimeters from an external point, which is 9 centimeters away from the center of a circle. So it's very easy construction, right? Let's move to the last problem in this main 33rd problem. You can see the figure. In the figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeters with centers A, B, C and D. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. As shown in the figure, find the area of the shaded region. So observe the figure carefully. So in the given figure, I just do only this much. But you do completely in your exam paper. So for your eyes, only you should observe this much. Right? This is a square of side 14 centimeters. I am not drawing the 4 circles. I am just drawing a part of a circle and a complete square. We need to calculate only the area of shaded region. Where is the shaded region area? In square. So I have taken only this much. And you can see here, this is side of a square is 14 centimeter. Then what about this part? What is this one? I can call it as quadrant. Why it is quadrant? See, they are perpendicular. This is a part of a circle. Then this is 1/4 of a circle. So you can say this is a quadrant. Like this, how many quadrants you can see in the figure? 4 quadrants are there. How can we get the shaded region? Frame the formula. Area of shaded region is equal to, in area of a square, what is the formula? In complete area of a square, remove 4 times area of a quadrant. Because 4 quadrants you can see, then you can get the shaded region. Area of a square minus 4 times area of quadrant. Area of quadrant. Right? So that will be, what is area of a square formula? Area of a square formula is side square. That is 14 square minus 4 times area of a quadrant. Area of a quadrant formula is pi r square by 4. 14 square, 14 14s, it will be 196 minus this 4 will be cancelled. 22 by 7 into radius. R represent radius. Radius of what? Quadrant. See, side of a square is 14. Then half of it is a radius. That is 14 by 2. 7 centimeters is the radius of a quadrant. 7 into 7. 1717 will be cancelled. That is 196 minus 722, it will be 154. So subtract, you are going to get 42 centimeter square is the area of a shaded region. Is this clear? What is the area of a shaded region? In complete area of a square, subtract 4 times area of a quadrant. That is, you are going to get 42 centimeter square. This is a 3 marks question. Still, you need to elaborate and write the given data and each and every formula separately and then try to subtract. So, with this, you can end the answer here, 33rd one. It is 42 centimeter square. So, with this, we are going to complete all the 3 marks questions. Fifth main, answer the following questions. In this main, we will be having 4 questions. Each carries 4 marks. Total 16 marks. 34th question. Construct a triangle of sides 6 cm, 4 cm and 7 cm. Then construct another triangle whose corresponding sides are in the ratio 3 by 4 of the sides of the first triangle. So look here. So actually this is a construction problem. You do with the geometrical tools. I am doing roughly here. And how to do this construction also I am saying roughly with a free hand. But you please do with the geometric tools, right? So construct a triangle of sides 6, 4, 7, right? Let me take 7 centimeters here. And from this point, let me mark 6 centimeters, draw an arc. And from here 4 centimeters, cut the arc. Then join. Okay, this is 4 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. So with these 3 sides, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, construct a triangle and mark A, B, C. Construct another triangle whose corresponding sides are 3 by 4 of the sides of the first triangle. So you have drawn first triangle ABC. For this triangle, what is the ratio given here? 3 by 4. Observe, is it a proper or improper fraction? It is a proper fraction. So you can guess your construction. The new triangle will be inside the original triangle. Okay, how to do this construction? Observe the ratio. Numerator or denominator is greater. This is greater with what? 4. So take an acute angle. Mark 4 arcs with equal measurement. And mark this B1, B2, B3, B4. Denominator, what do you have? 4. From 4th arc to C, join. Now, draw an arc. Numerator, what do you have? 3. At B3, draw another arc. Go back, measure, cut, and then join. Again, same manner, arc. From this point, arc. go back, measure, cut, join. So the new triangle here is A dash B C dash is a new triangle with the corresponding sides in the ratio 3:4. Therefore, A dash B C dash is a new triangle which is corresponding to the original triangle in the ratio 3:4. Okay. 35th problem, solve graphically and they have given you two equations. The equations are x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. So, how to do this graphically? First, take one equation, x plus y is equal to 5. Rewrite again in the form of y is equal to 5 minus x. Okay, and take a table with 3 rows and minimum 4 columns, right? And take another equation, consider the equation x minus y is equal to 1. Here for y variable, you have a negative sign. So y transpose other side and 1 bring this side. That is x minus 1 is equal to y. At a time, rewrite like this, y is equal to x minus 1. And take the box again, take like this, x, y, x comma y, and here also x, y, x comma y. Now what numbers should be filled in this table, right? So by observing the equations, I can compare the coefficients 1 by 1, 1 by minus 1. That means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore, what I can say, the two equations, the two lines will be intersecting graphically. Intersecting means at some particular point, it will be having two coordinates, right? X and y values. So, first take the two equations, solve roughly in your answer sheet. That means let me go with elimination method. And let me solve, cancel 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. So, I need this value, children. Make sure where the two lines will be intersecting at x coordinate is 3. Why? If you substitute the x value, you are going to get y value as 2. So, I don't want y value, I will consider only x value. So, make sure in my table, I will write in middle 3. Before any number you can take, let me take 0 and here 5 I will take. Suppose here in this table before 3, I will take 2 and after 3 I will take 4. Any number you take, but make sure your x value should be there in the middle of the table. Now, find the y value by substituting in this. Y is equal to 5 minus x, right? If x is equal to 0, what is x value? 0. If x is 0, what about y? 5 minus 0. Y is equal to 5. Right here 0 comma 5. Similarly, if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. Y is equal to 2. 3 comma 2. And next, same manner, if x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 minus 5, that is y is equal to 0. 5 comma 0. Right? Same manner, fill that table also by taking this equation and these values for x. If x is equal to 2, what is the equation? Y is equal to x minus 1. Y is equal to 2 minus 1, y is equal to 1. So, substitute here and write the coordinate 2 comma 1. And next, if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 minus 1, y is equal to 2. 3 comma 2. If x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 minus 1, that will be 3. 4 comma 3. Like this, we need to fill the two boxes. Now, take a graph sheet, right? X-axis x dash and here y dash. Now see x scale 0, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4 there. So I can take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, 2, 3, 4 like this. I'll take on x-axis scale. This side positive and this side will be negative scale. Next, coming to y. Observe the values 5, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here also you can take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. That is 1, 2, 3 positive scale and here negative scale. Right? Now take first box, first coordinate and plot on graph. 0, 5, 0, 5 somewhere here and 3, 2 somewhere here, 5, 0. Like this you are going to get a line. This is a rough graph, children. Right? Now take another equation table. What is that? 2, 1, 3, 2 and 4, 3. So here the two lines are intersecting. At which coordinate? Each coordinates you need to mention here. Wherever you are plotting, you need to mention the coordinates. So the two lines are intersecting at 3, 2 and write for every line equation. After writing the coordinates, equation, and then on top of it you write the scale. Right? Scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis this all you write. Then finally, what is that? The two lines are intersecting at the coordinate 3, 2, right? Do a dotted line with scale and write here x is equal to 3 and here y is equal to 2. Now in rule sheet where you have solved this all, there down you write. What you are going to write? Therefore, the two pair of linear equations are intersecting and have a unique solution. If you want, you can write are intersecting at 3, 2 where x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. You need to end up this graph with that line. Then only you are going to score full marks. Is this clear? So just let me write here. 35th question, you will be getting graphically answer x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. 36th problem, the angle of depression from the top of a vertical tower to a point on the ground is found to be 60 degree. So observe the figure here. AC is a tower. We need to write the verbal statements. Let AC be the tower. Okay. From top of the tower, a point on the ground, D is a point on the ground. The angle of depression is how much? 60 degree. And from a point 50 meters above the foot of the tower. From a point 50 meters above the foot of the tower, the angle of depression to the same point is found to be 30 degree. See here, tower 50 meters above, from that point to same D point. What is the angle of depression? 30 degree. As shown in the figure, find the height of the tower. You need to calculate the height of the tower. Right? So, how can we calculate this height of the tower? See, angle of depression given. So, this depression angle you can convert into elevation. Horizontal line is always parallel to the ground. So, what I can say, the angle between two parallel lines is alternate. That means from here to here it is 60 degree. And in the same manner, this 30 degree I can take like this 30 degree. Yes, observe here, from here to here it is 60 and from here to here it is 30 degree. Now, observe the two right triangles. See, this is a small right triangle ABD and the big right triangle CAD. Just observe the two triangles like this. Observe, but don't split in your answer sheet. Right? So now AD I don't know, and what about AB? 50 meters, and this angle is 30 degree, and coming to big right triangle, this is 60 degree, and only some part of this I know, so I don't write anything here, right? First, let me take small right triangle. Or you can write all these. AC is a tower, AB above 50 meters above from B point, the angle of depression, these all statements you can complete up, right? Let me consider triangle BAD. See here children, in these two triangles, this is common, right? So let me find AB. That means acute angle is here. I am talking about opposite side and adjacent side. Which ratio we can take here? Tan. Tan 30 degree is equal to AB by AD. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. AB value is 50. AD we don't know. Let's write it as AD. AD is equal to, cross multiply, 50 root 3 meters. Okay, mark it first equation. What is AD we got here? 50 root 3. Let me write that AD value in second right triangle. What is AD distance? 50 root 3 meters. Now consider, or in triangle you can write, consider triangle CAD. Now again I am talking here about, I need to find AC, right? What is the height of the tower is your question. I know adjacent, I need to find opposite. So which ratio we can take? Tan. Tan 60 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 60 value is root 3. AC, I don't know AC. AD value is 50 root 3. Cross multiply, send other side. AC is equal to 50 root 3 into root 3. So 50 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. 50 into 3, that is 150 meters is the height of the tower. 150 meters is the height of the tower. If they ask you any other question, above 50 meters, what is the height means? It is 100 meters you can say. So total height of the tower is 150 meters. Okay, is this clear? Observe the figure carefully, then identify the right triangles and apply proper ratio, then you are going to get the answer. 37th problem. A train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. It is a direct question. So first let me write distance of the train D is equal to 360 kilometers. Let uniform speed of the train is equal to x. Okay. Suppose if speed increases, what happens? By 5 kilometers, that is x plus 5. Now, we know the relation. What is that? Time is equal to distance by speed. When a train is traveling with a uniform speed of 360 kilometers, then if the speed increased by 5 kilometers, then its time decreases by 1 hour. So, what we are going to do here, this is the initial uniform speed. Distance is 360 by x. And when the speed increases by 5 kilometers, that will be 360 by x plus 5. Now, how to frame this in the form of equation? Look here, these two ratios, 360 by x minus 360 by increased speed is equal to, what is the difference of the time? It is 1. Now do LCM here, x into x plus 5, 360 into x plus 5 minus 360x is equal to 1. 360 multiply here, 360 into x, 360x plus 360 into 5, 1800 minus 360x, and now the denominators and other side multiply, x into x, x square plus 5 into x, 5x plus 360x minus 360x will be cancelled. Now take this 1800 other side and interchange at a time. X square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Now factorize this equation. That means minus 1800, find the factors. That will be 40, 45s are. Just check it out. 4 5s are 20, 16, 1800. Right. 40, 45s are. But I should get here plus 5. Plus 5, and there if you multiply you should get minus 1800. So plus 45 minus 40, you take the factors. X square minus 40x plus 45x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Take out x common, x minus 40, and here 45 common, x minus 40 equal to 0. That is x minus 40 into x plus 45 equal to 0. X minus 40 equal to 0 or x plus 45 equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus 40, send that side 40, and x is equal to minus 45. Observe here, the speed cannot be negative. So therefore, I go with 40 kilometers per hour. Therefore, what is the uniform speed? 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, is this clear? This problem is for 4 marks. So write all verbal statements neatly and then write the equation, then factorize and end up with a statement. Therefore, the uniform speed of the train is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. In this 37th problem, you have internal choice with or another question. So let us deal that question. By selling an article for rupees 18.75, a person loses as much percent as it cost him in rupees. Find the cost price of the article. So let's read the question again. By selling an article for rupees 18.75. That means what is given here? Selling price. Selling price is equal to how much given? Rupees 18.75. A person loses as much percent as it cost. So do we know the cost price? No. So let me assume the cost price is equal to x. He gets a loss. So the person is getting loss. Loss means when cost price is more than the selling price. That means loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. That is, cost price is how much? X. Let us assume cost price is x, right? So in cost price place, you write here x minus selling price 18.75. Loss is equal to x minus 18.75. Then how can I get x value here? In problem, observe carefully, the person is getting a loss. Loss percent is equal to the cost price. So loss percent we are talking here. So do remember the formula. So remember the formula, loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100. So rewrite this formula. Loss is equal to loss percent into CP by 100. Look here, loss percent into CP by 100. In the place of loss, you rewrite that. Loss percent is how much given for us? Loss percent is equal to the cost price, that is x. So in place of loss percent into cost price by 100 is equal to x minus 18.75. Loss percent I will write it as x, and in cost price place also I will write it as x. X into x by 100 is equal to x minus 18.75. X into x, it is x square. X square is equal to 100. Send other side. 100x minus 18.75 into 100. What happens? Observe here, this decimal by 100. This 100 cancels. That means x square is equal to 100x minus 1875. Now rearrange this. One. X square minus 100x plus 1875 equal to 0. Now factorize this one. 1875. Find the factors. How can you find when you don't know how to take a factors? Do LCM and get the factors. 1875, let me take the LCM here. 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25. And here 5 7s are 35, 5. And again 5. Okay, look here. I think we can get this one. 75, 5 is a 25. 75, 25 will be 100. So, no need of calculating complete LCM. I'll take here factors 75, 25. And I should get here minus. That means minus 75 minus 25 you take. If you multiply these two plus 1875 you are going to get. So, factorize this. X square minus 75x minus 25x plus 1875 equal to 0. Take out x common, x minus 75 minus 25 take common, x minus 75 equal to 0. X minus 25 into x minus 75. Therefore, x minus 25 equal to 0 or x minus 75 equal to 0. Minus 25 transpose plus 25. X is equal to 25 rupees or x is equal to 75 rupees. What is the cost price here? Either it may be 25 rupees or 75 rupees. So we are getting two answers. The cost price may be 25 rupees or 75 rupees. Is this clear? So observe here, when we get a loss, when the cost price is more than the selling price, we get a loss. That means loss is equal to CP minus SP. But loss percentage we are talking in the problem. So loss percent is equal to loss by CP into 100. So rearrange that and substitute in place of loss. Loss percent is also equal to X. So x into x by 100 is equal to x minus 18.75. You get an equation. And if you factorize, then the cost price will be either 25 rupees or 75 rupees. Is this clear? With this, your 4 marks questions are completed. And your answer for this or question, either it may be 25 rupees or 75 rupees. So these are all the answers for 4 marks questions. With this, your 4 marks main is completed. We are going to complete this paper with only one main, and in that main we'll be having only one problem for 5 marks. Let's see the problem. Answer the following questions. 1 into 5. Each question carries 5 marks. There is only one question in it. 38th one. State and prove basic proportionality theorem. This theorem is also called as Thales theorem. BPT or basic proportionality theorem. It is a direct theorem from Triangles chapter. It is very easy theorem. So I think you can complete this theorem. With this, we are going to complete this model question paper. So not only listening this question paper, just try to solve complete question paper. In mathematics, you make a minor mistakes. If you are able to identify your mistakes in mathematics, definitely you will rock in your examination. See here, complete mathematics of class 10 is available in the channel. Each and every problem, including construction, everything there in the channel. So try to utilize. If you feel any theorem difficulty, it is explained in easy manner in the channel. So please go through all the topics which you need again and again explanation. Not only content, previous year model question papers and all the formulas have to remember easily, MCQs of all chapters and 1 mark, 2 mark questions. Some chapters are covered in one shot videos. So almost all the content is there in the channel. Utilize to the maximum extent and get good result. All the best, children. We are going to meet in the next video with another question paper. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.